Welcome to SKT Engineering YouTube channel. In this lecture, we will create and work with polylines. We will create and modify polylines. We will convert existing lines to polylines and we will create arc while working with polylines. Now I will tell you that there are two methods for polyline. One is drawing a new polyline and one is converting the existing lines to polylines. First, we will work with drawing new polylines. There are two methods for drawing new polylines. One is by clicking this icon and another method is through shortcut, which is press PL. P line means polyline. Just press enter. Now you can see that whatever I draw, it will be converted into a polyline. I want to tell you another thing that if you move your cursor to the end point, it will give you a reference point. For example, you can see that it has given me a reference line. Now I can draw a straight line which will connect to the first point. This is our polyline. Now you can see that if I hover my cursor over it, it shows that it is a polyline. I have made a new drawing. Now you can see that every line is a single line. You can convert these lines to polylines by two methods. One method is press the modify, a new window appears, and press this edit polyline. Another one is the shortcut. Just press PE. Press enter. Now select first line. It says that do you want to convert the line to polyline? Press enter. Now it wants you to join another lines. So join. Select this line, this line, this line, this line. Press enter. It has been converted into polyline. Press escape. Now if you hover your cursor over it, it shows that this whole square is a polyline. You can also draw arcs while working with polylines. I will show you how. Press PL for inserting polyline. Press enter. Now I want to insert an arc here. So click at the end point. Now select another point. If you want to insert arc, press right key. Click on arc and it will give you an arc. Now I don't know where to end my diagram. I want this line to be connected with this. So when I hover my cursor over this line, it gives me a reference line. You can see it here now. First convert it into line again. Line and connect it to this point. Now in this lesson you learned how to work with polyline, how to create new polyline, and how to convert existing lines to polylines, and how to create arc while working with polylines. I thank you all for listening to me carefully. Stay blessed.